What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to promote your products on TikTok Shop and get more sales while having an autopilot. Autopilot meaning using AI. But if you're here for transition, editing, dopamine styles, and all that, just click off the video. This is not for you. But if you're here to actually learn to take notes, because I'm about to be dropping mad sauce, I might be talking fast, but that's how I talk. You know what I mean? If you can't really understand what I'm saying, put the video on 0.5x speed. But I like to get things out the way faster. But TikTok Shop AI method, building a character that you will turn into a video, right? So you will be using Gemini to create your character or any other Nano Banana AI that, generates images. So you will use AI to create your character. I use Gemini to create my character, which, as you can see in this one right here, I'm into beauty products for women and, makeup things and all that. So I created a female AI model that we'll be using to promote all the products on TikTok Shop. And I've also worked with one of my IRL friends, and he generates almost $1,000 every single week. He averages around 300 to 500 sales, but last week he got 700 sales in 1 week, which is perfect. And it's scalable to 5K per month. You will use the AI videos for marketing the product. So once you make your AI model, you will use the AI model, put it in VO3, just like this one right here. I've already did this before, but this is like a small script I created just for an example. Let's take a look at it.
Besties, if your man got a baddie who smells like this, yeah, his folding. Yeah, his all.
So you already know. So you're gonna take your image from Gemini or Nano Banana and put in VO3 and give it a nice script. For the product that you will be selling. You could switch up the script if you want to. But if I explain how to do the scripting and all that, this video will be like 5 hours long and no one's gonna be able to watch it. Let's get straight to the good stuff. So choosing a niche. Choose a niche to target the same audience every day so you can build momentum for that huge spike when you go viral. Top selling as of 2026: women beauty and elderly products and health products. So elderly products, like people that are old, are always willing to spend money on products, to help them, maintain good health and all that stuff. So Shilajit or gummies. Have you ever seen these gummies on TikTok Shop? They've been going viral. So these things right here are good selling products as of 2026. Health products and women's beauty. I'm into women's beauty. That's why I've generated my, women AI model. But choose any niche that you can, promote easily and do it with AI modeling. So it'll be perfect for this business model. So let's get straight to the next one. Best commission rates is 30% max or more. Product based, let's say the product is basically $25. You're earning $7. That's perfect. At least 25% product, $40, you're earning $10. Choose between these percentage. So you don't want to go less. 15% is nothing. You know what I mean? If you sell 1,000 products, you're only gonna earn maybe $700. You know what I mean? That's not a lot. So I always recommend people to choose between 30% to 25%. It's a good commission rate right here that you can earn a good amount of money from. But other than that, this is really easy to do. You're just going to be making your AI model in any AI like Gemini, ChatGPT Pro Premium, or any image AI generator, and you could use that to get on VO3 and turn it into image to video and give them the script that you will be using to promote. So what I said is she will look at the camera perfectly, you know what I mean? Hey, best is your this things like that target, women and stuff like that. So you could also add this to a scene. And once you add it to a scene, if you feel like the video is too short, you can add it to a scene and say extend. Once you add it to scene and says what happened next, you can just add, a different script following the all other videos just made right now. Just say, oh, she says this smells so nice, or anything like that to target the audience and to rage bait them into commenting. Me personally, I started last week using this method, and I generated 35 sales. As you can see, I don't know if my camera's focusing or not, but as you can see, I've generated 35 sales and I've made about $82 in commission. That's not a lot of money, but that's a good thing to start with and understand the game. And once I'm better at it, I can generate a lot of sales. And this is only in 1 week. I don't know how much money I will be making next week, as I'm still pumping out these videos, as AI videos, and I'm trying out different products that will work and whatnot. But I already leaked my niche. I'm into women's beauty, but my friend is into a different niche, and which is I'm not gonna be leaking his thing. And he told me to not say his name or anything, so I'm not gonna say his name. He's one of my IRL friends. He's been doing this for about 2 months now, and this month is the best month for him. He's been making 1K consistently every single week. So I asked to use these screenshots and examples. You can see I was on a call with him right here. I asked his permission to use it, and he let me. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a short video about TikTok Shop and how to really get into it. I didn't want to waste anybody's time. I just wanted to come out here and bring the sauce out before any guru comes out and talks about it and fucks up the motion. So I'm here to let you guys know nothing is bullshit. All you have to use is Gemini, VO3, ChatGPT for scripting, Cloud AI for scripting, or you can make your own script for the product. So once you have the product in your TikTok shop, you can take a screenshot of the product and you can put it in any AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini or Cloud AI, and tell them, make me a script for this product to promote, and they will make you a script, and you can take the script and change it up yourself and put it into VO3 and get started by making your video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you found any value in today's video, comment down below of what like things that you guys are facing or anything that you need help with or anything that you guys want me to talk about the specific topic. And also join my free Discord community where we host calls every Sundays and we talk about your accounts. We see, how you can scale things and how you can go viral with TikTok creator rewards or TikTok shop. And we just give out free value as much as we can, for the people. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.